Welcome to this video about plastic degradation and the nudge theory. To begin, let's talk about plastic. We all know what they look like and their uses, but the most important of their life cycle is their disposal. Plastics can be separated into two categories, degradable and non-degradable. Degradable plastics are made from cellulose and starch, whereas non-degradable plastics are made from petrochemicals. There are many mechanisms of plastic degradation, such as photodegradation, thermo-oxidative degradation, and biodegradation. When plastics degrade, they create very small particles known as microplastics. These microplastics can be very toxic to the environment when released. The next part of this video is about the nudge theory. This theory uses gentle and positive acts of persuasion to influence people's behaviour. The theory does not force people towards sustainable options, but uses techniques to get people to make non-deliberative sustainable choices. It uses human psychology to guide us towards better outcomes. For plastic pollution, a nudge could be placing easily accessible and clearly marked recycling bins next to general waste. Nudges can be beneficial as they work better than raising awareness, can be cost effective, and allow people to work through their personal goals. Making sustainable options the default is a nudge to increase sustainable behaviour, such as making plant-based food options the main dish in cafes and restaurants, or a cafe offering a small discount for bringing in your reusable cup or cutlery. Nudging can use choice architecture, which involves making sustainable options more available to the public. Listing the main plant-based food option at the top of menus in cafes means it is more visible and has a higher chance of being chosen. Drawing attention to sustainable products and services, such as increasing the prominence of recycling bins by using bright colours and clear labels, would increase the use of these bins. However, nudging can be ineffective as some places still use plastic products. It can be seen as a form of manipulation, and it's not effective in creating behavioural changes as it's only short-term. Future interventions of plastic degradation include alternative mechanisms of plastic degradation, such as bacteria that eat plastic in a controlled environment. This environment allows for control over the waste products, preventing microplastics from being released into the environment. Legislations against the production and use of plastic should be created and policed to reduce overall plastic pollution and degradation. Thank you for watching.